went to go pick up. Let me see the box. Show us the box, going. Got the Nintendo Wii wheel. That's pretty sick, guy.
In the box still.
In the box, yeah. That's what makes it official. You think you're gonna beat me with the N64 games?
Soon enough.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go meet up with another guy, and he's gonna buy. Should we tell him the game or surprise him when we get there?
Surprise him.
Alright. This is before the taste test video, guys. We made it so short, so we need to add more stuff, random clips. Plus, of course, you guys love me, man. Like, you guys love me. Your mom likes me. Your dad likes me. Your grandma, your girlfriend, your little dog, your little rat, everything. Okay? So I gotta keep it going, man. You want a kiss? I give you a kiss. There you go. You want another one? There you go, baby. See the games?
Super Nintendo.
Show them what you got.
Neil Duncan. Game Boy games.
Kirby.
Spider-Man. Dr. Mario. Warrior Land 2. Super Mario Land. Warrior Land 3. I got Donkey.
Oh, this one looks
Country.
sick.
Including the Spider-Man 64 game. Red.
Okay, I see you, Spider-Man. That is sick. For some reason, it feels really light, this one.
Yeah.
It's sick, that one, man.
Add on to my collection. Soon enough,
know.
I'll be passing you.
I know. Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another Fly video, and today guys, it's a new taste test. You already know, ya tu sabe. Cheetos. Pa! Pa! Limited edition only. Today I'm with
Elias, you already know, Fly Elias.
¿Tú cómo te llamas?
Álvaro.
¿Y
Fly
tú?
Álvaro.
Conejo.
Hey.
Fly Connie.
So guys, which one should we try first? This one or the small one?
The big bag.
Big bag. Ok. Y bueno, ¿quieres tener esto por ahora? Ajá. Y pueden ver en el video cómo se ve. Vamos a probar este primero. We'll try this one first, guys. We'll see.
It's good.
Turned off or something.
No. Yeah. See?
Connie.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm filming.
Ahora vamos a probar eso.
Already ate, bro.
Oh yeah, guys, look at the design. See that?
Nice and crunchy, no?
Yeah. Open that one up.
Just by looking at it, I like the other ones, I think, better.
But I think this one was just better. It's white cheddar. Mmm.
The other way around,
Ese
bro.
es más rico, vamos a ver. Alright. Mmm.
Good.
These are really good, guys. Mmm. Okay.
¿Cuál está mejor? Which one's better?
You see? Guys, I'm on a diet, but look. Muscles. Got the muscles.
That ain't shit, yo.
I know. Okay. I think these, for me, take the W, the win. I like these more.
Those are really good.
Which one do you like more? They're both like tied, but I think I like these a
This
bit
one's
better.
really good.
¿Cuál
Which
te
one's
gusta
better?
más?
Creo que esa es mejor.
Ah, vos te gusta esto más, huh? He likes these more, you know? So now we're gonna let...
No, I'm not
Someone else
recording,
try.
bro. I'm hungry.
Huh?
I'm not hungry, bro.
No, just try. Here.
I'm not hungry, man.
Just try.
Give it a try.
You don't
One
have to
chip.
be hungry. No, but eat like one more at least.
No, I'm not hungry, bro. I don't even like puffy ones, bro.
Yeah, I know. I like the other ones too, but these limited edition.
I like those better.
You like this better? Oh man.
These are too cheddary.
Yeah, I like those guys because they're white cheddar. So you like these ones better, huh? All right. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Do you have anything to say before we end the fly video?
Subscribe. What else? Like, post notifications, everything else.
Yeah.
Continue following.
Tiene que decir, puedes decir algo para la gente, mi gente de YouTube.
Síganlo y suscríbanse.
¿Y cuál es el mejor equipo de Argentina? River.
Papá.
And what about you? Anything to say to my viewers?
You already know, like always, like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post for the notifications.
What does the shirt say? Hold on. Beware
Beware of the bear.
of the bear. Grizzly. Okay, guys, you heard it here first. You already know, limited edition. That's all we got. That's all we do around here, okay? Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be doing more of these videos. Just remember one thing though, I'll be back though. Yeah. Stay fly.